Today, Governor DeWine announced non-essential businesses like gyms, movie theaters, bowling alleys, and water parks are closed after tonight. One business he didn't mention, where a lot of people go, are malls. So we found out how local malls that are staying open are stepping up to make sure it's a clean and healthy space during this time of social distancing.
Well, to a large extent, it is business as usual. The mall is open its regular hours.
The Eastwood Mall in Niles is one of few businesses with no restrictions to their being open. Today, shoppers were still going store to store, just not as many.
But people are still coming to the mall, shopping, grabbing a bite to eat. It's just a little less foot traffic than we typically would see.
And you can still get a bite to eat there. All restaurants in the mall are open, except Starbucks. But chairs are placed on top of tables and roped off for much of the food court area. Mall staff was seen spraying down the few tables that were still up.
We have increased the frequency of cleaning in our common areas, entranceways, restrooms, the food court, the seating areas, children's play areas.
And those children's play areas are still open too.
I'm assuming that there are moms and dads and caretakers who are being careful about coming out there, but we want to reassure them that that play area gets frequently cleaned.
Unless told differently by the government, the mall has no plans to close.
They also have 35 restaurants in the Eastwood Mall complex, and Joel said they're all serving takeout during the restricted time.